Hi! Today is November 25. Yeah, as you all know, tapos na ang aking duty. I'm just doing my nails. We will be going out kasi uuwi kami ng Tarlac. And ito, hindi ko patapos yung isang kamay ko. So, I'm using this color. I also have a matcha. As a slow drinker, kanina pa tong 9 na timpla. It's already 1:30. Ayun. So, next layer and then we're done. Hi! So, pumunta ako ng graduation because graduation na ng friends ko sa accounting. Hindi lang ako nakapag-vid kasi masyadong maraming tao. So, naiya ako. So, picture-picture lang kami doon. Tapos, I met with my other friends and wala lang, nag-merienda lang kami, dessert. Tapos, balak kong mag-aral sana sa labas. Parang uulan today. Pero hindi siya natutuloy. Hindi ko alam bakit. Makulimlim lang sa labas. Gusto ko lumabas. Pero hindi ko alam saan ako pupunta. So, umuwi na lang ako. Galing kami ng Gapo last week. Ayun, I haven't vlogged that day. Because it was too spontaneous. Ayun, so here are some pics. Ganyan. Pics. Yeah, I'm with my friends that day. Do you see that? Diba ang dilim? Hindi lang siya mukhang madilim sa cam kasi maliwanag. Pero madilim. Okay, mag-edit na lang ako para ma-upload ko siya bukas. So, kung napapansin nyo, naka-eyes ako, no? Because, wala lang, gusto ko lang lumabas. Be productive. More productive. Kasi, inaantok na ako. Kanina pa ako nagbabasa na. But, I'm sleepy. Guess what? Kakain pa lang ako. Have my rice. Nagluto ng torta si mama. So, exam ko bukas. I will definitely bring you along with me tomorrow. Because, that's a whole day examination. On Tuesday is another exam. Please pray for me na mapapasa ko ang semester because I need to pass this semester. Please lang. Good morning. Ba't ako nakasalamin? Wala lang, nahihilo lang ako. It's currently 4:36. Oh my god, 4:36 na. Yeah, so nagluto ang pancit canton. I have my leftover coffee from last night. Kasi hindi ko siya maubos kagabi talaga. So, kakain lang akong mabilis. And then, I will review again. It's been 30 minutes since I was studying and nahihila na ako. So, ayun, habang naka-break ako, nanonood lang isang video. Tapos, here I have Berocca. Kita. Pagod na. Mag-aaga pala. Time check. Hindi ka naririnig niyan. Time check. Kasi nung camera mo, 7:06. Artificial air breathing. Iiyak ko na lang. Iiyak ko na. Hi, B. Yung nakausap ko ay... Siyempre. Si Ja. Ayun. Ja. Ja. Ano ba yan? Hindi mo siya pag-gusto. Banag? Kaya nga, parang kinukon. Final exam. Gusto mo ba makita? Yung.
Ha! Kumusta yung farm exam niya? Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko lang ako mag-talk.
So loud.
Guys, naka-ano yung farm exam.
Ingo-ingo nyo to? Nakikita ng nanay ko yun?
Ay, makikita ko na. Hi, tita! Mag-ready ka na. Emotionally, physically, and financially.
I'm back!
I'm back. Me and back.
I'm back sa... Ayan, namimili siya ng ipit niya.
Bilisan niyo!
Oo nga!
Kala niyo naman napaka-wars tayo dito, guys!
Dapat isang oras muna pala. Tapos
Tingnan ko sa'yo!
Testing natin yung capacity natin. Kasi ako feel ko 30 minutes wala na. Ganyan na ako dito.
Ano ba to?
Hello, makinig kayo. Si Dota, isa lang sa mundo. Wow! Napakarami. Ano pipiliin mo? Dota o Yes? Ano pipiliin mo? Dota o ako? Ano mas gusto mo? Persuasion, tayo na mag-dota. Ako na na bumagyo. Kahit nakabula, tawagin na ano. Let's start the countdown. Basta din natin na puno mo lang yun. Ang tagal naman, anong pipiliin mo? Dota o ako? Anong mas gusto mo? I don't wanna wake up and see that rewrite the stars. We'll say you're mine. All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you. And I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. So why can't I turn off the radio? Why can't I turn off the radio?
Madly susunod yun.
Wow! Spectacular singer!
May natawa muna. Kaya ka muna dyan. I get keep
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? A beautiful sight for happy tonight, walking in the winter wonderland.
Sabi din Mabasa niya ay. Parang it's really good to hear your voice. Say my name, it sounds so sweet. I'm sleeping on the days of a foreign paradise.
Terrible things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here. Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't dis.
Hindi ako nag-video.
Hey, it's me again.
Ingay!
It's me again for the nth time.
Anything unhallowed in me. Why would I try to
Harmful. Non-choice. Kailangan mo mas.
Talaga?
so
Currently, 3:50, 3:51. Ngayon pala mag-start mag-review. I got some snacks, this well. Matcha! May tissue kasi nagbumoist siya. So, timpla ang matcha. So, magre-refill lang ako. Let's go time-lapse.
Standing outside of a bar, halfway around the world. I couldn't speak a word. That doesn't matter, 'cause when I looked at her, my heart felt fluent. Hotel room is much too far. Taxi, singing to all the songs we both don't know, running wild in the city after the show, seeing under the lights of Tokyo. Locked eyes and I realized I got nothing left inside, got nothing left to hide. And I don't care what they say if I just met